Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix, ISDone.dll error while installing games. Type Advanced System Settings in Windows search bar. Click View Advanced System Settings. Click Settings under Performance tab. Click Advanced tab. Click Change under Virtual Memory. Uncheck Automatically Manage Paging File Size for all drives. Select your game installation drive, C drive, or any other drive. Check Custom Size. Initial size is 100. Maximum size is 3000. Click Set. Click Yes. Click OK. Click OK. Click OK. Click OK. Click Restart later. Right-click Start button, Run. Type %temp%. Click OK. Select all, delete all files and folders. Restart your computer. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.